In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your table from your WordPress website. So I have created here a table and I'd like to go ahead and share it or download it and then share it outside by exporting it. Now for this, I used a plugin called WordPress, and here is the plugin. Just go to your plugins if you want to use these plugins and then add plugin, and then just search for WordPress as one word like that. And you can see the plugin is here. So this is a plugin you can create tables that you can export. So once you're done, now you can start creating tables using this plugin. When you click on WordPress here, you can choose either to create, import, export, or other plugin options. So I have already created a plugin here and I'd like to go ahead and share it or download it. To do so, it is quite simple. So if I move up here, you can see we have this option to export the table. Alternatively, if I scroll down, you can also see the export table option. So if you click on it, you will have this page where you can export the table. Now you can go ahead and choose the table you want to export, and you can select the table by clicking on this, and this will display all the tables that you have on your WordPress. And you can see I have quite a number of them. So for my case, I'd like to export this. And then the next thing you need to do is to choose the format you want to export. So we have quite a number of formats. We have CSV, HTML, and then JSON format. So for my case, I'll just leave it with CSV, that is character separated value. And then I'll go ahead and click on download here. Now you have to note that support for zip file creation seems not to be available on this server currently. So go ahead and click on download export file, and this will go ahead and begin the download process. And my file has been downloaded here, and here we go. I can now open it from here, and look at that, my table has been downloaded and the data is here. So that's how you can download and export tables in WordPress using WordPress plugin. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.